Today we got two companies that have been around forever. And typically that means they're on their way out. Just ask US Steel. But unlike US Steel, these two companies are still extremely profitable. My name is Dorian and this is SEM, and today we got P&G versus Johnson & Johnson. P&G stands for Procter & Gamble for all you youngsters. If you like what we're doing on this channel and you want more videos like this, subscribe. Click that bell notification. You'll know when a video comes out. P&G versus Johnson & Johnson. Let's see which one's bigger. To start us off, we got J&J, Johnson & Johnson. They are broken up into three divisions. They have pharmaceutical, they have medical devices and diagnostics. Almost messed that up. And they have consumers. They are one of the world's largest healthcare companies. Their CEO is Alex Gorsky. The number of employees is 132,200. Their headquarters is New Brunswick, New Jersey. Their stock price at the time of this recording is $152.76, and their total company value is $402.7 billion. Johnson & Johnson. And now we have P&G. They have been around since 1837. That is a long time. That was before the Civil War. They have become one of the world's largest consumer product manufacturers. Tide detergent, P&G. Pantene shampoo, P&G. Charmin toilet paper, P&G. Pampers diapers, P&G. Their CEO is David S. Taylor. The number of employees is 97,000. Their headquarters is Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm from Ohio. Their stock price at the time of this recording is $137.44, and their total company value is $340.2 billion. Procter & Gamble. And with a company value $62 billion higher, your winner is Johnson & Johnson. And for once, I don't have a question to ask because, with Johnson & Johnson and with Procter & Gamble, they're all products that everybody uses. So I can't say which one you prefer. Probably use everything. In saying that, if you are new here to SEM, please hit the subscribe button and become part of this SEM Nation. Once you become part of this nation, that bell notification, you'll know when a video comes out. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. My name is Dorian. This is SEM. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. And you guys have a good day.